and see how we tie it up here so that way it can still stretch but still give it some support. There's another big one which we'll probably actually take inside soon. There's a little guy growing. There was one up here, but I think Mom already picked that one off. Oh, there's another one down there. We'll have to get that one in a thing soon. Oh, and there's one there too. But see, this right here, it's started to break off because it's too heavy. And so, and see, that one's not, I mean, you can see my hand, it's not that, you know, big. So, I mean, it definitely needs some support if you're going to be growing it vertically for sure. So I wanted to show you while I'm picking that tomatoes like this, you'll see they split open. There you go. They split open like that and like that. That's usually after like a heavy rain, or if you know, forget to water for a couple days and then just really, really water it. It's not horrible. Most of the time it'll heal itself. It'll just be a blemish on it, but sometimes it can introduce bacteria and make the tomato rotten. So you just want to keep an eye on it, because if it looks real raunchy or smells bad, you know, definitely don't eat it, but typically they heal themselves pretty quickly. So this is one. It's got a little grain on the top, so we'll probably pick it tomorrow. Just when you think you got good big old fruit, you get this situation. 99% sure chicken did that. Hi, ladies. Hi. Y'all already ate the tomatoes. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching, and Hildegard says, please like, subscribe, and share our videos with someone who might enjoy them.